That is a black helicopter flying 5th and Arrowhead as I stand here taking documentation about San Bernardino. Upon my arrival since yesterday the 3rd, I'm just taking notes about everything that the city is doing. And this black helicopter came and flew over me. They monitor my technology use. They monitor and try to distract from or try to deter me from the documentation that I'm actually engaged in. It should also be noted that there's law enforcement right over there as well. That is not a coincidence that they are present. In addition to that, in the background, I have been hearing a systematic tapping on some sort of material in the background that is in sync with my activity of moving my arm, of writing something. That is indicative of the monitoring and placement of surveillance that I am documenting. That helicopter is flying past this police officer, past my location. This is at 5th and Arrowhead where I am standing, and there's another police officer as well. And keep in mind, everything that they're doing is in reaction to what I'm speaking because they are listening to everything that I say. And their theory is and has been, if they continue to do more of what I am documenting, it makes it appear as though they are innocent of what I am alleging. It needs to be taken into consideration that there is an abundance of evidence that I have as far as the state stalking system that I'm documenting, and one element of it is the actions of law enforcement, and it includes the ubiquitous presence of the police following specific actions that I have taken that are embodied in my pleadings. I just want to note this: the presence of the helicopter, the presence of the police, the presence of the background sounds that they're providing. I mean, they're all listening to what I'm saying, so they go ahead and they engage in that conduct. But that's what's happening right now at 5th and Arrowhead. I was documenting the presence of these porta potties all along Arrowhead, which are also a useful tool in what they are engaging in. The useful porta potties are so that they can be not seen inside doing their monitoring and placement of surveillance rather than being out in the open sitting in their cars like they have been. They place these porta potties all along Arrowhead from in between 4th and 5th, and that's what I'm documenting, in addition to the other actions that I've documented with regard to their utility workers, San Bernardino, that did some beautification to all the abandoned buildings over on 4th Street where I was sleeping last night, where law enforcement and the helicopters and all the planes kept swarming over last night. It's not a coincidence that the next morning they went in appearing as though they're cleaning, but what they are doing is a couple of things. Number one, making it so that ensuring that they can fully and effectively monitor me at night, moving any trees, if that's adjusting any technology, whatever they might be engaged in. But the point is, those buildings are dirty and abandoned. They're nothing that they were concerned with before. This is related to my presence at each place. On 4th Street, I was present on this street yesterday, standing over here on this street. They're concerned with my access to internet. They're concerned with my publishing anything that I'm documenting. That's where these porta potties come in.